Hello, my name is John Botting and welcome along to this video today. You're here because you're interested in finding out why people fail at network marketing. And let's face it, lots and lots and lots of people fail at network marketing. I'm a long-time network marketer. I've been in network marketing for over 30 years now, believe it or not. I know, I don't look old enough, but it's true. I started when I was just a boy. No, in all seriousness, I have been in network marketing for a long time, for over 30 years. And I've been in lots of companies along the way. Back in 2008, I sort of took my business online, and that's all I've ever done since. And I've seen it all out there. I've seen lots of companies come and go. I've seen lots of people come and go. I'm still around. And, I wonder sometimes why people fail at network marketing. These are I've got a couple of reasons why I think that's the case and what you need to be looking for in any network marketing business that you join. The first thing is a system that people can follow along. That's not necessarily easy, but it's an easy system, but it does take work. But there's a system in place that people can plug into, that you can plug into, and you can just follow along in that system by doing certain things. Then certain outcomes should come about as a result of the work you're putting in. So that's the first thing why people fail at network marketing. They do not have a system that they can plug into. And the second reason why people fail is they don't get any training. They don't get any training from the company that they're joining. They don't get any training from their sponsor or from the team that they're training. Or the training that they do get is old-fashioned and not relevant for today. So it's the same old, go and speak to 100 people that you know. When you're in the shopping queue in your local supermarket, or when you go and have your haircut at the hairdressers, talk to people, all that old rubbish that doesn't work anymore. So there may be training in place, but the training isn't relevant. So that's the second reason why people have more chance of failing in network marketing, is there's no training in place from them for the company that they are joining, or the training that they are getting is not relevant in today's marketplace. The third reason why people fail is that they just don't have a supportive sponsor. So the person that they have joined up with doesn't communicate with them, hasn't offered them any support, hasn't offered them any help. When they talk to them, when the person tries to make contact with the sponsor, they don't get anything back. Or the sponsor just stops being involved in the company and just disappears off, and all of a sudden you're an orphan. You have nobody there to help you. So that's the third reason why a lot of people do fail at network marketing, and that is they have a bad sponsor. And the last reason, or one of the other reasons, it's not necessarily the last reason, there's lots of reasons why people fail, but here is another main reason why people fail, and that is because they fail. They themselves fail. They fail to take action. They are shown how to work the system. They are given correct training. They have a supportive sponsor who's there to help them and is willing to help them, but they fail. They fail to follow through on the training. They fail to follow through on the system. They are not responsive to their sponsor who is willing to help them. So that is another reason why people fail to make success in network marketing, is they do not take action themselves. Now, it could well be they are under a misunderstanding, that they think that network marketing is all they've got to do is join a company, pay for products, go on a monthly auto ship, and magic happens. People fly from the sky and join their network, join their team. Doesn't happen like that, I'm afraid. It doesn't fall on your lap. Network marketing and the clue is in the network. Network, that's the work part of it. Marketing means you need to go out and market it, you need to work it, and you need to market it. That's what network marketing is all about. So, in summary, when you are looking to join a network marketing business, and if you don't want to fail, then look for, is there a system in place? Do you have a supportive sponsor and team in place that's going to be helping you? Is there training in place as well as the system to follow? And lastly, are you committed to actually follow through everything? If you are, I have something for you. You won't be surprised to hear. So I'm part of a team that has a fantastic system in place, which is putting people into our downlines for us. You do have to work for it. It's not there, sit there and do nothing. You have to have work. The system tells you what you need to do. We have training in place in our private Facebook team group. So the training is there to train us what to do. And I will be your sponsor. So if you sign up in the link below, I am your sponsor, and I absolutely guarantee you 100% hand on my heart, if you can see that, that I will support you all the way as long as you commit to working. And as long as you put the work in, I will match your work and I will support you as well. So if you're interested in working with me, working with our system that we have in place that will be putting people into your downline for you, click the link below, take the test drive for free, join our Facebook group and reach out to me, and I will help you in every way I can. Thank you very much. This is John Botting signing out.